Comes with a nice little comfy pillow. So if you want to take a little nap with your little head. So it does. I do tape it down pretty good, so that's cool. Stick up here. Now, tape this sucker up, don't they? There's tape in here. I'm not sure how to open that. Ooh. There's like tape all the way in there. Not sure if there's a way to open this or not. Oh, there we go. So there's a little latch here. Yeah, let me get the rest of this tape off. Oh my lord. So they well packed this pretty good. All right, get this bad boy off of here. And then, yeah, do it a little more daintily than I did that. Okay, a little more careful. All right, so that's it as a package deal. And we got to go and we got to set it. They gave me a variety of cords. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use the pretty standard one. That's the one I'm going to use. I'll give you this. That's kind of overkill. And then I showed you that already. Goes back on cart. And unscrew this stuff. Oops. All right. And this is a two-parter. So that just goes in there. And undo this. Oh my God, it's a little office. Sweating. So she's going to go right in there. I'm assuming you know how to plug in a power cord. Or whatever there. So she can have that to catch her papers. And there's the power button. So she comes on blue. You can see that. And then what we have to do is install the software. All right, then you can go to the Googles to get the software. Again, we can't stick this any place because we don't have any place to stick it. So I'm going to put it in Patriot D40 software. And there's Visioneer Patriot 40. Okay, there's drivers and all the goodness. All right, so once the website decides to stop spinning, I'm going to save these to my downloads. I might not put this one on there. Just the first and the third one. Okay. I will go to my downloads. See, they're still downloading. Unconfirmed. Oh, yeah, they're still downloading. 7 hours left. Wow. All right, so we are going to install this bad boy. Yours is just going to come up. Move this over here. You can see it. All right, so we are connected. We are powered on. All right, we are going to proceed. We are English. Of course, this wants to pop up over there. So, scanner drive, Visioneer One Touch. Capture SC. There, we're going to download all this. We're at a good start with 0%. All right, that's going to take forever. It shouldn't take you forever. So I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to go back to my office/area and grab a CD drive. Open a new window. And I'm going to run setup. Oh, there we go. All right, English. This looks so familiar. Oh, okay, here we go. So this looks kind of familiar. All right, it's giving me about 32 minutes, 30 minutes time remaining. So I'm not sure if that's going to happen in a home network. I'm curious because that seems like a long time. So I'm going to let that run, go back to my office and see how long it takes to run and see if it goes faster in that office. Kind of peculiar. I just thought I was going to plug it in, download the software, and that was going to be it, but apparently not.
And so what happened from there, the next day, I did find the drivers and the software on our share drive. So I went ahead and installed those lickety split, and everything worked fantastic. Tried it out and great. I couldn't film it because the person who occupies the office was there. It was the next day. It was a Monday morning, and everyone's there. So kind of hard to explain what I'm doing. I'm filming this for my YouTube channel. So anyways, it works great. It's a great product. I would highly recommend it. It's got 4.3 stars out of 40 reviews, and there's never been an issue. There's never been a problem with any of them as far as breaking down at this point. And the price point, as you can see, is almost $500. So the price point is kind of high up there. But for a place that does a lot of scanning and uses it extremely a lot, it's very good. So hope you got something out of this. Sorry, it went a little longer than I even freaking imagined and expected. I thought I was just going to take it out and do the software and boom, it was over with. But I had issues as I walked back to my office and back there with the CD drive and everything. And it was just a bundle of errors, but everything worked out. And as always in IT, always at least multiply your job by at least the time factor of 2 or 3, because a lot of times that's what happens. All right, gals and guys, thank you very much. I hope you got something out of this. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I appreciate it. I promise they won't be as weird as this one. And if you could like this, I would appreciate that. And share, and of course, hit that bell for updates. You know the deal. Yeah, that's all. Bye-bye.